Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two amazing cameras from Canon, the Canon EOS R7 and the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit. We'll go through various features and capabilities of these cameras to help you make an informed decision. Before we dive into the comparison, please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Let's get started. Let's start by comparing the prices of these two cameras. The Canon EOS R7 is priced at $1,899, while the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit comes in at $999. It's important to consider the budget you have for a camera and decide accordingly. When it comes to image quality, both cameras excel. The Canon EOS R7 features a 32.5 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, ensuring crisp and detailed images. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit offers a 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, delivering excellent image quality as well. If you're into videography, both cameras have great features to offer. The Canon EOS R7 boasts the Digic X image processor, enhancing performance for ultra-high-definition videos. It also provides 4K video recording capabilities. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit offers 4K uncropped movie recording and Full HD high frame rate movie at up to 120 FPS. When it comes to autofocus, both cameras are equipped with advanced technology. The Canon EOS R7 features the CMOS AFE system with 100% by 100% coverage and 651 AF zones. It uses deep learning technology for auto-subject detection and tracking. The Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit also includes dual-pixel CMOS AFE, providing accurate autofocus in a wide range of shooting scenarios. If you need to capture fast-moving subjects, both cameras offer high-speed, continuous shooting capabilities. The Canon EOS R7 can shoot up to 15 FPS with its mechanical shutter, allowing you to capture those action-packed moments. Similarly, the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit offers impressive continuous shooting with up to 12 FPS or 15 FPS using the electronic shutter. Now, let's talk about some additional features that make these cameras stand out. The Canon EOS R7 comes with 5-axis image stabilization, providing up to 7 stops of shake correction. It also offers full-range lens compatibility, allowing you to use EFS, EF, RF, and RFS mounts. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit offers an advanced A+ assist for enhanced auto mode shooting and built-in flash for challenging lighting conditions. And there you have it. We've compared the Canon EOS R7 and the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit, highlighting their key features and capabilities. Both cameras have a lot to offer, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you in making a decision. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.